Treat sunburn quickly at home. Let's get started. A cucumber. Grate a cucumber. Add a teaspoon of honey. A teaspoon of yogurt. A spoonful of aloe vera gel is great. Remember, it is very good for aloe vera skin burns. In the next step, I apply it on my skin to see the power of this mix. Let me show you its power on my skin. Apply it on your skin with a cotton. You can use it for face and body. You can apply it anywhere on the skin you like. After 15 minutes, rinse with water. Let's go see the result. I like to put my hand on my face. My face is very soft and moist. I suggest you test it once. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. I suggest you watch this video. I will definitely read and respond to your comments. We are human with any race.